Hello friends, I'm here to tell you more about GrandFree. GrandFree is a platform whereby you earn money, and the process is to follow. To log into GrandFree is by entering your Chrome browser or Google. You'll be given an option either to log in with your Gmail account or through Facebook directly. After logging into it, a platform will be created for you. You have your dashboard where you enter and see your details, and there are some things that you perform in the Grand Prix. These are by rolling, watching videos, attending your smart contracts, and you can even play lottery, as the case may be, if you wish. So this platform is a very simple way of making money without using your money. Only your data you make use of, and then your money will be gathering gradually. By the time it reach 500 gram, it can be converted into money. If you try to follow the process gradually, you may get to understand, and then we'll explain to you the way and the process to get that money.